Hey, yo! My name is Miko. I'm Maria Davidovsky coming back to you once more, and again, in the same shirt, in the same place, making the videos one after another. How to deal with worry? Worry is a very fun and interesting topic. Worrying is something that we're plagued by most of our lives. Oh, is it gonna be okay? Is it gonna be fine? It puts you in a state of survival. So we're dealing with the base chakra once again. Worry is a form of anxiety. But you can also worry for other people, and you can worry for what's gonna happen, and you can worry what people will think about you. So there are many different forms of worries, types of worries that we can have, and we usually carry all of them on our shoulders. This is why we're usually slouched over, really tense in around the shoulder area. Let go of the worry, my friend. Focus on God. Focus on light. I know. Boring. I said it over and over and over. There is a reason why I say it. Because it works. And it's simple and it's easy. It's the easiest way that I know to truly change your life for the better. You just gotta focus upon divinity. And the divinity is going to guide you. By focusing upon the divinity, you are collapsing reality in such a way that you're drawing the divinity towards you until you yourself become divinity, my friend. And therefore, if you focus upon God long enough, you are going to realize, my friend, that you are God. Of course, there's going to be a certain process that's going to occur along the way. There's going to be an entire journey. You're going to have a lot of realizations, changes of character, etc. Maybe not. Maybe you're just going to think, oh, I am God, and therefore you are God, and you just accept it as a truth, and therefore you automatically become God. It's possible. I've heard of cases like this. But how do you get rid of worry? Say you're sitting there worrying about your friends. Oh, my friend, he's this and that, and he's drinking, and he doesn't have a job, and now he's gonna be. Well, worrying certainly is gonna help him. If anything, you're sending more negative energy towards him. You're making it even harder for him to exist because you're sending negative energy to him. Not ideal now, is it? It's like you, in your good faith, let's just say you're worrying, but by worrying, you're making it harder for him to get out of the place where he's in. So instead, I encourage you, my friend, have faith, believe in him. See how old he is 20, 30, 40, and he's alive. Still alive. Meaning that he managed all these years to guide and lead himself through this world in such a way that he's alive. Maybe he's suffering. Well, many people are suffering into this society, but he's alive, meaning that he's at least capable of surviving, which is good. Maybe he's not living. We'll leave that to the philosophers, but at least he's alive, meaning that he can manage one more day now, can't he? You can believe in the fact that he can manage one more day. So you can have faith and you can believe in him that he can manage. You can support him, of course, but you don't need to worry about him because you know that he's going to do the right thing at the right time. As he focuses upon the light, he can get his life straight. I used to be in quite a dark place, living on the road for quite a few years, suffering a lot without anything, poor all the time, stubborn in my ways, suffering all the time, but damning everything around me because of the suffering. But eventually I found my way. I found a way to set myself straight. I found my way to focus upon the light. And since then I've set my life straight with the help of God, by allowing myself to be myself and not pretending to be someone else. You don't need to worry about other people. You don't need to worry about the world. The world is fine, the people are fine. They're going to take care of themselves. The most important thing is that you focus upon yourself and that you focus upon doing the right thing at the right time in the present moment. If you really are worried about them and about the world, truly you should be focusing upon the light with all your might as you do everything. Because only then can you set yourself straight and set yourself right. And as you set yourself right, as you become stronger, bigger version of yourself, as you recognize the divinity that is within you and you allow it to shine forth, you become a powerful force in the world and you allow to exude that power forth. You allow yourself to express the power forth. And that power is going to be changing the world and is going to be changing people's lives. Not because you want it to, but because you are yourself doing the thing that you need to do. You're going to be a source of inspiration for people. You're going to be changing their lives by the sheer act of speaking to them. That you are yourself. That you are the light and you're letting your light shine forth, and therefore you're going to be changing people's lives for the better and the world as a result. So if you're really worried about these things, get your act straight, my friend. Seek the divinity, establish yourself within divinity and realize you're safe, you're protected, you're guided. The world is here for you to support you upon the journey to become the divine. Have an absolutely wonderful day, my friend. I bless you and I wish you all the best in your life. I truly hope that you can find your joy, your peace, your harmony, or anything else that you wish. Until next time, consider leaving a comment, click the like button, subscribe, because I've got another few more videos to make, some knowledge to share, and a lot of journeys to explore with you. Bye!